Good morning, everybody. So this video is going to be for the students who could not attend our live Zoom today, which I completely understand. That's why we wanted to make sure to make this video so you could get your live reading lesson as well. So we're just going to go through this PowerPoint. Then we're going to read our book about penguins together, and then I'm going to go over your assignment so you are 100% clear and sure of what you're supposed to do. So we're going to start this, and it says, "Good morning, we miss you so much," which is so true. Miss Harris and Miss Haley miss you so much, and we cannot wait until you come back to school. Next, this says penguins. This week we are learning all about penguins. Yesterday you learned about the word huddle. Who remembers what that word means? I'm going to take a second and I want you to tell somebody you're around what the word huddle means. Did you do it? I know you did. Great job. We are also finding more unknown words in our stories, and we are going to be word detectives. Do you remember doing this last week? We found different words that we didn't know in the story, and we used our pictures. That's the next question. Does anyone remember how we can figure out unknown words? What can we look at to help us out? If you're thinking or if you said pictures, you are correct. We are going to use pictures and other words around the unknown word to help us figure it out. So this was our poster in our room, and it says context clues. Clues that good readers use to find the meaning of unknown words. Remember last week, Colton actually helped us figure out what even unknown means. It means we don't know what that word means, and we probably haven't seen it before. So we learned that pictures can help us figure out unknown words, and finding words we do know in the sentence can also help. So that's what we're going to look at right there. And then when you go to Seesaw, you're going to see this activity. And it looks like this. You're going to talk about context clues again, go over our anchor chart, and you're going to read this awesome book. We're actually going to read that together on Zoom right now too. We did it on the live Zoom, and I want to make sure to read it with you guys as well. So we're going to go to the next page. Then we talk more about what do we think the unknown word means. We'll talk about the unknown word when we read the book. I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but we want to talk about these questions when we see an unknown word. And then you're going to do this. Remember doing this last week? So right here, we write the word. And then right here, we draw our best picture of the word. And I'm talking best picture. Details, colors, so many things added to your picture. And then you're done for the day. This is Miss Moshkowitz. Who remembers Miss Moshkowitz? So let's get on into our book. And it is called Emperor Penguins. Emperor penguins are the largest penguins in the world. These birds do not fly. They swim in cold, icy water. Brr. Do you like swimming in cold, icy water? Miss Haley doesn't either. On land, they slide on their bellies, and they also waddle across the ice. Okay, I want everybody to stand up. I'm even going to stand up. Let's try our best penguin waddle. Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Waddle like a penguin. Waddle like a penguin. Could you hear my feet waddling? Next page. Emperor penguins are only found in Antarctica. Ooh. The birds do not have nests or shelter from the snow and wind. Oh my goodness, I bet it is so cold. Look, all of those penguins are huddled together trying to keep warm. Oh my goodness, burr. Instead, They help each other survive. Colonies huddle, oh, we learned that word yesterday, in groups to stay warm. I want us to stop on this page. We've learned a little bit about penguins, and now I want us to talk about an unknown word on this page. Colonies. Can everybody say colonies? Good job. When you're reading books on Epic, that's the website we're using, you can actually click on this word. A group of people sent out by a state to a new territory, the territory in which such colonists live. So, are these people? No, we're learning about penguins, but it can still work with penguins. A colony is a community of animals or plants of one kind living together. So we see all these penguins are living together and they're all the same type of animal, right? So when you go back to your seesaw work and you're going to do Penguins Day 2, let's look at it. This is where we're at right now. You're reading the book and you're going to go to this. You're going to write the word colony. How do I remember how to spell that word? Oh, right. I can go right back to my book and I can look right here, colonies. You're going to write your new word in this box. And then right here under illustration, remember in the beginning of the year, we learned that the illustrator draws the pictures. So an illustration is the picture. So you're going to write the word colonies in the new word box. And then you're going to draw a picture of a colony in this box. Remember, colonies is a group of animals or plants of one kind living together. We saw that all of those penguins, one kind of penguin, were living together and trying to keep each other warm. So our new word is colony, and I want you to draw a picture of that penguin colony, And then you're going to click right here, and it says done for today. And you can give yourself a round of applause, kiss our brains. You did awesome.